Hi-ho, dissertation advisees, Dr. Palermo with a busy week 6 message for you. There's a bunch of stuff for you to do. I hope you're maybe getting caught up on some of your 700 work. But for starters, please watch this other video about completing a form. And if you work in a school system, I bet you there's lots of forms that you have to complete. We are gaining one here in our program, and this is to ensure that you know all the important stuff that you need to know about your program and how it works. By the way, right over here in the program drive is where your handbook is if you don't know. So go there, look for the program handbook, and lots of other interesting stuff too. But watch that doctoral contract video and return that to me, please. You are to read Bhutan, chapter 3 this week. And I do want you to learn some more about APA. Check out the APA references link here, and do respond with something that you have learned in the APA Beginner's Guide. Have you used Turnitin before? Turnitin is a tool for your originality. When you are writing your work and citing lots of other folks, you don't want to plagiarize. This helps you to know what the content is and where it is, and you're going to use Turnitin when you start to submit your dissertation work. You're also going to submit your evidences there, and that's a different issue, but you'll be submitting your drafts of the dissertation here as well in the future. So learning about Turnitin, if you don't know about it, come down here to this folder, please, and click here, which is a link to the toolbar on the left-hand side. There is a video from me that you don't need to know about. But here is a video about using Turnitin, step-by-step 2-minute video about how to turn in a paper to Turnitin. After you turn in a paper, it's going to generate originality reports for you to look at, and you can look at them here. And there are 10 spaces for you to submit a variety of assignments. I'm not going to give you 10 this semester, but you could submit conceivably 10 different drafts of a document if you wanted to. If you wanted to, you don't have to. And but use Turnitin, get used to using Turnitin, and this week learn a little bit about it. What else did we have for this week? Well, it says assignment due to TaskStream, but I'm not sure that your TaskStream account has been set up for you yet. If so, don't worry about that. We are going to be talking some more about potential topics. You have posted about your potential topics. Right now, we do need to talk about some of this stuff, and there's some topics that just aren't appropriate for research, or because of confidentiality or research rules, institutional review board rules. I'm going to advise against some surveys of students or youth, but right now all of your topics are appropriate and good potential topics. So just know that where you are right now is exactly where you should be in terms of potential topics and thinking about your research. Okay, so later we'll get a list of potential topics posted. You've done a great job so far in posting and using APA citations, and if not, I urge your colleagues to give you gentle feedback to say, is that supposed to be italicized? Thanks. Have a great week. Email me if you have any questions.